Welcome to the Email Migration Tool video. In this video, you'll learn how to use the OpenSRS migration tool. Important: before using the migration tool, please be sure your domain service and branding are configured. Also, before performing a migration job, users need to be created first on the OpenSRS platform. To start using the migration tool, simply click on the Email tab at the very top of the Reseller Control panel. Next, select an email domain you would like to migrate, and then click on the Bulk Tools tab to start the process. If you need any assistance at any time, you can click on the Help link at the top right. First, ensure that the operation type is set to migrate users. Next, enter a job name. And then populate the source server information. Enter the server host name, choose the server protocol for the desired migration type, and fill in the server ports information. Next, you will need to configure your folders. You can add which folders you would like to skip, as well as translate any folder names here. Lastly, enter a list of email addresses representing users and their clear text passwords here. This is used to log in and access the email on the source server. The data needs to be placed in a specific format highlighted here. Once you're done, submit the job. Once submitted, you will get a notification indicating that your migration job is now in the queue for processing. Click on the gear icon and select Bulk Actions to view all of your queued jobs and their statuses. Please note, the Bulk Actions option is only available when you submit a migrate or bulk job. In Bulk Actions, you can view the date and time, the description of the job, how it's progressing, and its current status. When you have multiple jobs, you can resume, suspend, terminate, or delete all. Select a job if you want more detailed information. And there you have it, the OpenSRS migration tool.